some wheelies. Racing out front. Racing out by Sando's good looking out. Alright. To the lead. 1,000 lead to the 3. That's start. The leaders are buckets. They're waiting. This is stretching the lead. They're trying to aim for who's the coming into the halfway through. You could see him could be even one. Grayson got it. Ames, Austin, and Tyson top 5. Lots into this one. Driving through the smoke, boy. Grab it. The difficulty here at Peak View Round 2 of Summit Series 2026. Grayson Poland leading the way. Got it. 10 seconds close to him. For the feedback. The running order is racing by Austin, Ames, Sam, Eric, and Tyson. And last still relatively close. There's always going here. A couple seconds to go. Everybody on tap. By the 2. Austin down to the 3. 3 seconds back to that. Sam in battle with Ames. Driving back. Here comes Ames in the silver truck. Look at this car. Wide. Ames off the track. Austin promoted down the straightaway. Sam taking that spot too. We gotta keep it. Ames going big. Austin had 2 spots. Guys, number 2 retires. Oh, number 2. You know what Drake said in the clinic, I'd rather my car melt down on the last lap than quit. Whatever is needed to Grayson. He's getting off the far lap lead on the field now. Austin Tuttle to the 2, 7 to the 3, Eric Copeland to the 4, and Ames to the 5. Tyson not too far back again in the 6 now, battling with Kalani. A lot down the field for the Austin. And the 2 is Grayson. Ames and Sam going to go at it. Coming out of the bell. Ames to the double, but he had a little parking ride there. Sam can keep it clean. Let Sam go. Oh, Ames retiring. Ames on his lid. So Grayson and Austin checking her out. The guy for the 3 is all over the place. They're up in the 4 now. Tyson to the 3. Out of nowhere, we got the red and blue. 2 pipe rides it. Trying to hold off the train. Here comes Eric. Eric sticks it in. Can't make it happen. They're going to go battle it out to the straightaway. Right to the inside, takes a couple. Tyson down the straightaway. Eric down the straightaway. Kalani down the straightaway. The 3-way battle for the 3rd spot. Oh. Careful in the middle, careful. Oh my lord. Grayson getting around that. He is now a full lap up on everybody. Lonnie Herman, he's clear. That's fine. Grayson on the straightaway. Austin on the straightaway. Eric on the straightaway. Fine. Tyson, he's getting back up there. He's in 4 right now. He's in deep. Austin and Eric now going to do battle for the 2. That goes to the dragon back. For the table. The speed break jump to the straightaway is Eric and Austin Tuttle. And Eric just won that lap in the 3 though. So I don't get that exciting with the actual lap apart. Let's see this lap, so we got Zachary Grayson. With 2 minutes to go, 6 down, 2 to go. Grayson, Austin, Eric, and Sam. Closest battle on track is going to be Tyson and Sam. We are battling it out 4 to 4. Tyson out of the bowl. About 2 times fast for to the backside. Tyson on the inside. Oh, jump so wide. Oh, he got it. To the straightaway they go. Just got the horsepower. You can put it down. Sam in the bowl, Tyson in the bowl. They both out to the double. With 1 minute to go. Eric's on his way. Sam will 150 to go by. I don't know how they're on different laps. For the stop. That is an active battle. Eric to the double. Jason, Sam, they both go to the backside here. Oh, Sam catches and Drew Tyler does a couple. Gets the ground, you know, hands up and losers. With 20 seconds to go. Make sure maybe you are up next, but there's going to be a little bit of a break. A couple minutes here, make sure everybody gets ready. So you hear that. A couple minute break between the order. 20 seconds to go. Here is the battle on the backside, yellow and red. And the blue and orange in position. And taking his time and pushing it hard to the line. Good battle. Between Eric Harper and Sam King for the 3rd spot. Eric's going to hold on to it. Grayson taking the win, Austin in the 2, Eric in the 3, Sam in the 4, Tyson in the 5, and Kalani in the 6. Just looking for Kalani and Austin to come across, but those positions are decided. And that'll do it. No other cars are running. Grayson, Austin, Eric, Sam, Tyson.